Welcome to the BillBalance video, Income Tips and Tricks. In this video, we're going to focus on the income category and provide tips and tricks on the best ways to enter income in order to get the most accurate results. To begin, I'm going to open the Income 1 category by clicking the Edit button. On the income form, the first thing to remember is that the net income amount, that's the after deductions amount, or also known as the take-home amount. The net income amount located at the bottom of the form is the amount that is carried over and displayed on the balance sheet. Therefore, it's important that the net income is accurate as possible. There's two ways to enter income, detailed and quick. Let's first look at a detailed entry. A detailed entry is when both the income amount and the deductions are entered and tracked on the income form. For example, if my monthly gross income, the amount before deductions, is $5,000 a month, I would enter $5,000 in the 1 month amount field and click calculate. At this point, the net income is not correct because the deductions have not been entered. To correctly calculate the net income, I must enter the deductions. I'll enter $500 a month for taxes, $400 a month for benefits like medical and dental, and $300 a month for retirement. Now the total deductions are $1,200 a month and the net income is correctly calculated. Again, the net income is calculated by subtracting the deductions from the income amount. Now my detailed entry is complete and I can save my changes. Once the changes are saved, I click Exit to return to the balance sheet. Back on the balance sheet, I see the net income fields have been carried over and are displayed in the fields next to the Income 1 category. Now, let's take a look at how I could have entered that same income using a quick entry. I'm going to re-enter the Income 1 category by clicking the Edit button. A quick entry is when only the net income amount is entered and tracked on the income form. The deductions are not entered. The advantage of a quick entry is when tracking the deductions are not needed. For example, the net income in this example is $3,800 a month. For a quick entry, instead of entering my gross income in the amount field, instead I enter my net income in the amount field. I'm going to enter $3,800 in the 1 month amount field and click Calculate. Since I have entered the net income in the amount field, I now need to remove the deductions I previously entered. The deductions can be removed by simply entering a 0 in any of the time intervals. Now my net income is displayed in both the income amount and the net income fields. I review the form, the amounts are correct, so I click Save to save my changes. Once the changes are saved, I click Exit to return to the balance sheet. Back on the balance sheet, I see the net income amounts are carried over and displayed in the fields next to the Income 1 category. That covers the differences between a detailed and a quick entry. Either entry type can be used. What's important to remember is that the net income amount be as accurate as possible. Now let's cover another topic. What is the best time interval to enter your income? To obtain the best possible results, it's important that income and expenses be entered into the time interval that best represents the amount. For example, there's a difference between getting paid twice a month and getting paid every 2 weeks. Also, what if you work seasonally, less than 12 months a year? How should you enter your income? There are several possibilities for entering income, so let's take a look at the most common options. I'm going to click the Help tab on the menu bar. And I'm going to open the Income, What Time Interval Should You Enter Your Income document. The Income Time Interval document provides suggestions for the most common payment intervals. Let's take a look at one of them, twice a month. If you are paid twice a month, you receive 24 payments annually. And unless you are a salary employee, the best time interval to enter your income is in the 1 month interval. To obtain the 1 month amount, total the 2 monthly payments together and enter them in the 1 month field. For seasonally or salary employees, entering your income in the 1 year interval is usually the best option. Also, for any of the time intervals, you can use a quick or detailed entry by entering the gross or net income amount in the income field. If you're unsure what time interval to enter your income, we suggest reviewing this document to find the best option for you. That concludes the video on income tips and tricks. Remember, for the best results, it's important to use the right time interval. And BillBalance works on averages, so the more accurate the amounts entered, the more accurate the results. Thank you for watching.